Bonjour, bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Moi, ça va très bien, merci. Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. I am so happy you could join our class today because we are going to learn how to say French sentences. But if you're thinking, wow, you've never said French sentences before, well, you are in the right place because that's what we're going to learn to do. And we're going to learn with Ananas. Can you say bonjour, Ananas, in a nice loud voice so she can join our class? Bonjour, Ananas. Oh, la voilà. Oh, Ananas. And she's saying bonjour right back to you. Alors, les amis, on va commencer par choisir une couleur. Répétez après moi. Rouge, orange, jaune, vert, bleu, violet, rose, blanc, noir. Qu'est-ce que tu penses, Ananas? Do you think maybe rouge? Parce que madame a sa casquette rouge. Oui, d'accord, on va choisir le rouge aujourd'hui. This series is called French with Ananas. This is lesson 2.13, E sound. Leçon 2.13, son E. Alors, on va commencer, mes amis. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est, ananas? Do you remember the name of this animal? Renard. If you said renard, you are correct. Great memory. Now, what I've done is I've added two words at the beginning of the sentence. This is the beginning, at the start of the sentence, au début de la phrase. So the two words I've written down are je vois. Can you say that? Je vois. Je vois means I see. And what we're looking at is renard. So in French, you have to know the gender of the word in order to write the sentence. So do you think that renard is a masculine word or a feminine word? So to know what it is, just go to the word in front of it. Ici. Now there's no E at the end of this little word, so it's masculine. Un renard. C'est masculin. Un renard. Now let's try saying the whole sentence. Toute la phrase. Je vois un renard. Encore. Encore means again. Je vois un renard. So what this means is I see a fox. Yay! Ananas, was that scary? No, not scary at all. Good start. On continue, les amis. Oh, those are delicious. Alors, do you remember the name of this fruit? Melon? Good for you, c'est beau. So, do you think melon is masculine or féminin? Masculine or feminine? So if we look here, il n'y a pas de E. So it is masculine. Masculin. Un melon. Un melon. Alors, let's try toute la phrase. That means the whole sentence. Toute la phrase. Je vois un melon. Encore. Je vois un melon. Yay! Bravo! On continue, mes amis. Oh, do you remember the name of this object? If you said envelope, you are correct. Bravo! Now, do you think envelope is masculine or feminine? Oh, regarde ici, on voit un E. This says une, so it must be feminine, féminin. Une enveloppe. Bravo! On va essayer de dire toute la phrase. Je vois une enveloppe. Encore. Je vois une enveloppe. Oui! a great job. C'est beau. Ooh, hmm. Oui. Do you remember this word? It's un portefeuille. Now, same words at the beginning. Je vois. And then we see, is it masculine or feminine? If you said masculine, you are correct. Un portefeuille, it's masculine. On va dire toute la phrase. Je vois un portefeuille. Encore. Je vois un portefeuille. Bravo. On continue. Ooh. Oh, this is pointing to a part of the body. Did you remember the word for knee is genou? Now, do you think genou is masculin ou féminin? On regarde ici. If you said masculin, you are correct. Un genou. Un genou. Alors, on va dire toute la phrase au complet. Je vois un genou. Encore. Je vois un genou. And it just means I see a knee. C'est beau! Bravo! Good job! Oh, ananas. Ananas, that's a question. Une question pour madame. It says, qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Oh, on va aller chercher le sac. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Oh, voici mon sac, ananas. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le sac? On va regarder dans le sac. Dans means inside, dans le sac. Est-ce que tu vas mettre ta main dans le sac, ananas? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le sac? Oh! 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 Do you remember the name of the wallet? Portefeuille. Do you remember if it was masculine or feminine? It was masculine. Masculin. So we're going to say un portefeuille. Un portefeuille. Ananas, did you want to go to the store? Oui. Avec le portefeuille. Oui. Merci beaucoup, les amis. I had a great time teaching you sentences. Do you remember the words for see you next time? How about à la prochaine? That means see you next time. À la prochaine, madame. À la prochaine, Anana. À la prochaine, les amis.